Number 7 would be the fact that not all functional health practitioners are the same. Some get very, very focused on supplementation. And for me, I went to 2 different providers, and they both helped me pinpoint certain deficiencies and things that were going on in my body. But then they both recommended that I just take a ton of supplements. That's not functional medicine. That is trading pharmaceuticals for supplements. What I needed and what I found was a way to support the body back into homeostasis by removing things that were getting in the way, replacing things that were needed. And sometimes that meant not taking as many supplements, because supplements can be really harmful on your liver. And I've already mentioned how important your liver health is for balancing hormones. And so if you're taking a ton of supplements, it's adding to the problem, not fixing it. That said, I think supplements are fantastic. They can be life-saving. However, I'm very cautious if a practitioner is associated with a certain company and only recommends supplements from that company, or if they're very heavily supplement focused. It just is not someone I would personally want to work with. I would want to work with someone that says, hey, you might need this for a little while, and then our ultimate goal is to get you off this. That's just my personal opinion, and I didn't find